everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and I'm going to be going over a writing and language section problem from Practice Test 5, question number 35. And if you've been watching any of my videos on the writing section, I say the first thing that you want to do is look at what you're being tested on. So I look at the questions, and I notice that all of the answers are exactly the same with the exception of punctuation. In this case, there's two types of punctuation. There's apostrophes, and then there's colons, semicolons, and commas. Okay, so I like to handle the apostrophes first. So I'm going to read the sentence. It is not difficult to understand why a cash-strapped, understaffed publication might feel pressure to cut teams of investigative reporters. Okay, I'm going to stop there for a second because it's reporters has an apostrophe. And remember, we use apostrophes to show possession or contractions of words. And the apostrophe isn't needed because it's not showing possession of something for the reporters. So that means I'm going to get rid of no change and of D. Okay? So then I see the colon and the comma. So one of the things that's different about the colon and the comma is that a colon could be used between two independent clauses and a comma cannot, because that would be a comma splice. So I look to see if the sentence before and after the punctuation, so right here, is an independent clause, and after it's an independent clause. If it is, then I'd have to use the colon, not the comma. So I'm going to read it. It's not difficult to understand why a cash-strapped, understaffed publication might feel pressure to cut off teams of investigative reporters. Okay, so that's an independent clause. It's a complete thought, so it could use a period, or a semicolon could go there or a colon, as long as what comes after is an independent clause as well. Their work is expensive and time-consuming. That also is an independent clause, so I cannot use the comma, and so I'd have to use the semicolon. All right, guys, so there's a question on punctuation, just like you've been asking. Have a great day.